My name is Rohan. I am 10 years old, and I have a story to share about my papa and me. My papa, he is the best. He always knows how to make me smile no matter what. Whether it's a funny joke or a silly face, he can turn my frown upside down in an instant. We have so much fun together. He tickles me until I can't breathe from laughing, and we share so many moments of joy. It's like he has a magic touch that makes everything better. Papa works hard at the bank. Every day he goes to his office and works long hours to make sure we have everything we need. He is very dedicated to his job and takes it very seriously. He wears a tie every day. I think he looks very smart and important in his business attire. Sometimes I try to tie a tie just like him, but it's not as easy as it looks. I am 10 years old and I have so many questions about the world. One of my biggest questions is about what my papa does at work and why he works so hard. I want to be just like Papa when I grow up. He is my hero and I look up to him in every way. I want to be hardworking, kind and smart, just like him. One day I saw Papa reading a book. He was so engrossed in it that I couldn't help but be curious about what he was reading. It had a funny title, Rich Papa, Poor Papa. I asked him about it, and he saw me looking at the book with wide eyes. He smiled and pulled me close. He told me it was a special book that could teach us important lessons about money and life. He explained that the book held secrets about money, and it could teach us how to be rich. I was fascinated by the idea, even though I didn't understand everything he was saying. The book was about making smart choices with money and understanding how it works. Papa said it was important to learn these things so we could have a better future. I didn't understand everything at first. The concepts were new and a bit confusing, but I was eager to learn. I wanted to know more about how money worked and how we could use it wisely. But I wanted to learn. I was excited about the idea of understanding something that seemed so important. I asked Papa if he would teach me more about it. Papa promised to teach me. He said we would read the book together and he would explain everything to me. I felt so happy and excited. It was a promise that made me feel closer to him and more curious about the world.
Rohan, son, rich papa. Poor papa isn't just about being rich with lots of money. It's about understanding the true essence of wealth. It's about being smart with money, making informed decisions, and ensuring that you have the freedom to live life on your own terms. This book changed my life in ways I never imagined. It opened my eyes to a new way of thinking about money and financial independence. It taught me things they don't teach in school, things that are crucial for real-world success. Schools often focus on academic knowledge, but this book provides practical financial wisdom. It's about understanding how money works, how to manage it, and how to make it grow. It's about creating opportunities and securing a future, and how to make money work for you rather than you working for money all your life. It's about investments, savings, and making informed financial choices. I wish I knew these things when I was younger. It would have made a significant difference in my life. But now, I have the chance to pass this knowledge on to you. Now, I want to share these secrets with you, so you can start your journey towards financial freedom early. You have the potential to achieve great things. Rohan, son, I will teach you everything I've learned. We will go through this book together, and I will help you understand its lessons. This book, it will be our guide. It will be the foundation upon which we build your financial future. Together, we will unlock the secrets to a prosperous life. Rohan, money is like a seed.
A seed, Papa? How can money be like a seed?
My son, you plant a seed, it grows into a tree and gives you fruit, right?
I nodded.
Money is the same. You have to put it to work. Don't just keep it in your pocket. Make it grow. If you save money in a bank, it grows very slowly. But if you invest it wisely, it can grow much faster.
One of Papa's biggest lessons was about having our own business. He said, Rohan, a job is good, but a business is better.
When you work for someone else, you make them richer. But when you have your own business, you work for yourself. You control your own destiny.
He encouraged me to think of business ideas. He said even a lemonade stand is a business. I felt proud when I sold my first glass. It wasn't much, but it was a start. Papa always said, Rohan, school is important, but they don't teach you everything. He said schools don't teach enough about money. He said they teach you how to work for money, but not how to make it work for you.
So Papa took it upon himself to be my financial teacher. Every day was a lesson. He taught me by playing games, telling stories, and involving me in our family finances. He made learning fun.
Papa believed in having a plan. Rohan, he would say, we always need a plan. Even to fly a kite, we need a plan. He taught me to assess our financial situation. Where were we? Where did we want to be?
We wrote down our financial goals. A new house, your education, a comfortable retirement for Papa and Mummy. He said, goals give us direction, Rohan. They keep us focused. We created a budget, tracked our spending, and explored investment options.
Papa always encouraged me to be brave. He said, Rohan, sometimes you have to take risks, but calculate them carefully. I remember when he decided to invest in a new business venture. Everyone said it was risky, but Papa had done his research. He believed in the business. And guess what? It became a huge success.
He taught me that courage, coupled with financial intelligence, can lead to great rewards.
Years have passed. Seasons have come and gone, each bringing with it new experiences and challenges. The passage of time has been a constant reminder of the lessons I've learned and the promises I've made. I'm a young man now. I've grown and evolved, stepping into the shoes of adulthood with a sense of purpose and determination. Every step I take is guided by the wisdom imparted to me by my father. Dad's lessons are deeply ingrained in my heart. His words echo in my mind, reminding me of the values he held dear. These lessons are not just memories. They are the foundation upon which I build my life. I understand the value of hard work, financial intelligence, and courage. These principles guide my actions every day, whether I'm tackling a challenging project at work or making important financial decisions. I am grateful for the gift of knowledge he has given me. It's a treasure that I carry with me, a beacon that lights my path. His teachings have shaped my character and my outlook on life. One day, I will teach my children the same lessons. I will pass on the wisdom that has been handed down to me, ensuring that the legacy of knowledge and values continues. I will tell them about their grandfather, the man who taught me the importance of integrity, perseverance, and love. His stories will become their stories, his lessons their guiding principles. The wisest man I know, whose wisdom transcends time and continues to inspire me. His kindness and strength are qualities I strive to emulate every day, and the book that changed our lives. This book is more than just pages and ink. It's a symbol of our journey, our struggles, and our triumphs. It's a testament to the power of knowledge and the impact it can have on our lives.
Dad's teachings are not just about money, they encompass so much more. They are about understanding the true essence of life, the freedom that comes with making wise choices, and the importance of building a secure future for oneself and one's family. They are about life, freedom, and building a secure future. These teachings have given me the tools to navigate the complexities of life, to plan for the future, and to dream big. They are about the legacy of love and wisdom that he will leave behind. This legacy is a precious gift, one that I will cherish and uphold. It's a promise I made to him, and it's a promise I intend to keep.